Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to repair a Garmin Fenix 3 screen. So first of all, you can purchase the T6 screwdriver on our website. That is what you will be using to remove the 5 screws on the screen. So let's go ahead and remove the 5 screws. So after that, your screen will feel a little bit loose right after you unscrew all the 5 screws. So next you just grab it and then you peel it up. Not too fast, not a fast motion, so you don't tear the ribbon that's inside. So go ahead. What I usually do is I take a flat-headed screwdriver and I first remove the tape that it's sitting on. Set the tape down because you will need that at the end. Next, I just grab the ribbon slightly and then just pry it up, and it just will come up very easily. So go ahead and get your replacement screen, and you will need a flat-headed screwdriver again. And go ahead, I usually just hold with both 2 fingers. I hold the base of the watch, and then I usually just pry down. And once you get the ribbon inside there, go ahead and grab your tape, and you will end up placing it pretty much how it was before you took it apart, just so it holds the ribbon down in case there is any movement inside. Afterwards, make sure that the seal is still there. And then you will line up, make sure that it fits all nice and good in there and snug. Sometimes you will have the antenna pop out there. You just pop it back in. There's 2 clips, it'll pop right back in. That's sometimes what lets it not go back inside. So next, let's use some B7000, which you can also purchase on our website. Just set the screen aside and just go around. Once the B7000 is all the way around the screen, go ahead and reapply the screen. Put the 5 screws back in. Now go ahead and power up the watch. The watch is powering on, which is a very good thing. And that is how you replace the screen on a Fenix 5 Garmin watch. Thanks for watching, guys.